Hello, welcome to my final project. Name's Parker Wolf, and let's get started. All right, so the project, I chose to upgrade Lab 1. Basically made a UI for the voting system. But instead of having just the candidate selection, I added a party selection and then the candidate selection and saved the results to a CSV file. So let's check this out. Um, All right, well, welcome to the voting menu. So it works just so error detection, we can go. So if I say select party, add a four-digit pin, please select the party. So this time I guess I'll choose orange party. I'll add, well, we'll say I added six digits instead. It says invalid pin. Then go okay. Let's say I added an M for some reason. I did invalid pin again. This time I will go 1983. Go that. And then we'll just select, or let's go select the candidate. Please select the candidate before pressing select that. So we'll choose Chris, select the candidate, and then take this out. And then if we go to voting results, it shows us his party, Chris, and then his PIN number. So then if we go back to there, let's say we want the yellow party. We do 0983 again. Pin is already used. Please enter a different pin. Yeah, we'll go enter a different four-digit pin. Oh, select Patrick. Selected Patrick. We'll choose 7. Yep. Let's say we're done with that, and it sends it right here. So yeah. Back to this concepts learned. Mainly getting comfortable with PyQt and object-oriented programming. I learned a little bit of it in my first semester, but I wasn't super comfortable with it. And then this class just helped reinforce that. Inheritance was a big one as well. And then getting used to Git and GitHub, committing and pushing, that was good. And then doc strings and type hinting were all things that I found super valuable to that. Challenges, implementing the pin and its functionality. I originally didn't even know that we had to have a pin, but the group session that we had was actually super helpful to me. And that was like the main thing that Dr. Aurora told me to implement. And then another one was radio buttons and their groupings. And this kind of goes along with the wrong output. I grouped them all into their own. I grouped them wrong. So then sometimes I would have a certain name selected and the previous one would still answer. But then I figured that out. And with that problem, it would output the wrong answer to the CSV file. Yeah. Conclusion, these are things that I found really valuable and actually enjoying. Getting more comfortable with Python. I already had a little bit of experience with Python, but this really helped get me more comfortable. And then same thing with object-oriented programming. It was super nice to have something that was really focused on that. And then also having clean and organized code, especially with doc strings and type hinting, just to help explain and make it easier to understand. So yeah,